Okay, right, we're going to power this thing on. Now hooked up to the TV. Everything else. I've had to put the big light on. Hope to hell I don't wake anybody up. So what's it doing now? It's making a lot of horrible noises. E4. I'm assuming that E4 is a fault code. Great. Nothing. Absolutely fucking nothing. This thing cost a fortune and it doesn't work. Bollocks! Right. Now I am pissed off. Don't really know what to say about this point, but I am seriously pissed off. Right. I say it has got a bloody great dent in the top there, but it's been dropped, hasn't it? And I'm assuming that the carriage or something mechanism inside, which is extremely sensitive, has been dislodged. For fuck's sake. Shithouse. Right. Anyway, with that disappointing note, I don't know what I'm going to do now. I'm going to have to think. I will update you later.